Hello everyone, I hope you guys are safe and good. Right now I am in Philippines for the isolation. This is our safe place. In our place, I saw some blue flowers, so I saw it online that it can make tea. Then I decided to pick some of them, about 5 to 6 flowers. It's not illegal, it's everyone can take the flower. If not, the flower is just die over there. I put it on the wall under the sun for a day, just let it dry, So second day, when the flower is done dry, not really, but it's okay to make a tea too. Boil some water and pour it inside the cup. And this is a magic time. Let's see. God, I love to see the color coming out from the flowers, and it's starting to be blue. It's so nice to watch it, right? I will put some brown sugar to drink with because I prefer have a little sugar. Have you tried some blue flower tea before? Do you like it? Please comment it below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching.